Now the skid plates are done, I'm working on the rear sway bar end links. They are right there. Right here. See how short that is and the angle on there? It's because of the lift. So, I already did the other side, but here's the one I pulled out on the other side. And here's the one I'm replacing it with. So, quite a bit difference in length. These are, so this is a 3rd gen 4Runner, 96 to 02. This is a 2nd gen rear 4Runner link, which is like 90 to 95. So I'm going to unbolt this one. I'm going to put this one, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's out. I could probably do this better with the wheel off, but I really don't feel like taking the wheel off. And I already did the other side without the wheel off, so I'm going to try and muscle through and get this one off, and I'll show you in a second. Okay, so right here, I can't get a socket on there because this is in the way, that metal. So I'm going to do a ratcheting wrench. It's 12 all the way off, and I'll show you next. Okay, top is off. Now, this is what I'm doing for the bottom one. Have to vice grip it. On the inside, I don't know if you guys can see that, and then ratchet on the outside. So, just got to hold this while you spin this off. This will come right off. Now that's off, this little steel collar right here, that's what I was vice gripping up against. So, I'm going to put this one in, but we are going to use these bushings. And not these. Not these. And these will probably be fine, these black ones, but polyurethane those last longer. Now, just need to go put this in there. Alright, let's see if you guys can see this. This, and then it's got to reach that. I don't know if I can do that with you guys right there. Oh yeah, I got this. So, you can actually just do this one-handed. Just pull and push that in there. There's not as much bind on it anymore because it's not as short as the other one. You can see right there how nice that fits. So, all I gotta do now is put the bushings on and tighten it up. Pretty straightforward. Pretty easy. These are way easier to do than those tension ones, but who knows if they're gonna ride as good. We'll find out. I'll let you know. Okay, they're all done. Super easy to do. That's only twisted because I was torquing on it. Twist that back so it's not bound all funny. There. Now it's straight. That's it. Pretty easy job. So it's nice to get some stuff done. I'm hoping now that I got these things done that I can show you surprise, not really surprise, but Nova stuff. That is definitely coming next. So let me show you what I got for it real quick. I got something out here in the garage and something in the house. Let me show you the garage thing first. There it is. Got the transmission. It's a 4L80, 4L80E. That's going to be bolted up to that. Stoked. Got it off Craigslist for a good deal. So, let me show you what's in the house. Just a few minutes. Let me get kind of cleaned up. What's up, my people? I'm excited because I got a box here to unopen. So, unopened to open. Not unopened, open. And Jags. Excited about this. This is, hint, it's not going to be for the 4Runner. What's it gonna be? It's a catalog. Yes. Dipstick. Gasket. Which means... Oh, hold on. There's the dipstick. Oh my gosh, I gotta turn this around. This is the first of the parts that I need for the LS swap. Okay, still don't seem amazing yet. Whoa! Look at that! Oh my goodness. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Okay, awkward. Look at this. Sorry, the door knocked. This is it. This is my swap pan. Oh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this is the Holly 302 3 pan. Not just the 2, but the 3. Because I believe these are the bungs for the turbo return lines. The oil return feed for the turbo lines. But turbo is not going to happen anytime soon. I just need to get this in here first. But I figured, why not do a preemptive attack and get the right oil pan, so when the time comes, I don't need to drill those and weld those. This is it. So excited! So I gotta clean up the block, and then I can put this on. So got a lot of scrubbing to do first, but there'll definitely be a video on this, putting this on, hopefully soon. But right now, this is a diamond going onto a turd. So the block must be cleaned up. Look how clean that is.